Over 10 years ago, we invented UNICO, the first air conditioner without an outdoor unit. The great success achieved has led us to develop and extend the concept, creating a whole range of products. Today, we bring you the latest advance. Olympia Splendid is simply proud to present UNICO Inverter DC. Consumption and pollution are now even lower thanks to Olympia Splendid's DC inverter technology. AA class, yet higher performance, 3 times as quiet. Incredibly slim. Elegant, but also effective, with perfect air distribution throughout the room. Always extremely easy to install, high or low, at the simple touch of a button. With no unit outside, no problems inside, and no maintenance worries. UNICO Inverter is now even more unique, for silent operation too. Yes, we did it! With UNICO Inverter, we've done away with noise. Technology and power. Silence. Ecology. Comfort and design. UNICO is a success in every possible sense. UNICO Inverter. More than just a new air conditioner model, a new concept in comfort.